Tips. You know, the ones that pop up under videos?
Yeah, those ones.
Well, get ready, because today we're doing a deep dive into exactly what they are.
We'll be exploring what they offer to both the creators running those channels and the viewers like you.
So for those not totally in the loop, what exactly are we talking about when we say YouTube channel membership?
Well, it's a way for viewers to basically subscribe to a channel
Okay.
for a monthly fee.
Right.
And in return, they get access to a bunch of extra perks and content.
So it's kind of like joining a little exclusive club within the channel.
Yeah, that's a really good way to think about it.
Cool.
The creators set up these different tiers of membership.
Oh, okay.
And each tier comes with its own unique set of perks.
I see.
So, things like exclusive badges next to your name in the chat.
Ah, yeah.
Or even custom emojis that you can use.
Makes sense.
They often get access to members-only live streams, too.
Mm.
And some creators take it even further, offering early access to videos or even physical merch.
Oh, wow. Early access, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
From the creator side, I imagine that steady income from memberships is pretty appealing, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's huge for creators. It provides a more stable income stream compared to relying solely on the fluctuating world of ad revenue.
Oh, okay.
You know, those pre-roll ads.
Yeah.
It helps to move away from that.
So in a way, memberships kind of give creators a bit more control over their earnings.
Exactly, yeah. And it's not just about the money either.
Interesting.
It really allows creators to build a closer relationship with their most dedicated fans.
How so?
Well, they get direct feedback. They can see what content resonates the most. It's really insightful for them.
Yeah, I could see that.
They get a much better understanding of what their fans really want.
But from a viewer's perspective,
Right.
is paying for these memberships actually worthwhile?
Right.
I mean, what are the actual benefits for someone like me?
That's the big question, isn't it? And honestly, the answer is going to depend a lot on the individual viewer and, of course, the specific channel and creator.
Makes sense.
For some people, it's all about that feeling of being part of a special community.
The insider feel.
Exactly. They love feeling more connected to the creators they follow.
Yeah.
Others, they might be more drawn to the tangible perks.
Like what?
Exclusive content, maybe the chance to snag some limited edition merch.
Oh, I see. The goodies.
Exactly. Those kind of things can be a big draw.
So you're saying the motivations can be quite different.
Absolutely.
Do you have any real-world examples?
Sure. Take, for instance, this cooking channel I follow.
Okay.
They've got a pretty awesome membership setup.
What do they offer?
They offer early access to all their new recipes.
Nice.
They hold these exclusive Q&A sessions.
Live?
Yep.
Wow.
And it's just for members, so they can ask specific cooking questions.
Ah, okay.
And they even get discounts on the creators' cookbooks and equipment.
That's smart. So they've really built a whole ecosystem around it.
They have. It's really a vibrant community.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But I got to ask, are there any downsides to this whole membership model?
Oh, there are definitely some things to consider.
Like what?
Well, there's the potential for this exclusivity to, create a bit of a divide within a channel's audience.
A separation between those paying and those who aren't.
Yeah, exactly. Creators need to be mindful of that.
Right. Makes sense.
Then there's also the pressure on the creators themselves.
How so?
Well, they have to consistently deliver that high-quality exclusive content to keep members engaged.
Ah.
And they're dealing with a smaller, more demanding audience. It's a real balancing act for them to keep everyone happy.
Sounds like it could be tough, for sure. So, looking at the big picture, where do you think all this is headed? Are YouTube channel memberships going to be the future of how creators make a living online?
It's a fascinating question to think about, isn't it?
It is.
I mean, the landscape of content creation is constantly changing.
Yeah.
Could channel memberships become the dominant model?
It's hard to say.
It really is. It's a trend that's worth keeping a close eye on.
Agreed.
The potential is definitely there.
Yeah.
For both creators and viewers.
You mentioned you are a member on some channels.
Yeah.
Do you think it's been worth it?
For me personally, I've found a lot of value in the memberships I've joined.
Yeah.
But like we said, it really comes down to the channel itself and whether the perks they're offering actually appeal to you.
That's fair.
Yeah.
So to sum it all up, it seems like YouTube channel memberships create this new way for creators and viewers to connect.
Right.
And support each other in a more direct way.
Totally.
But it's not a one-way street.
No.
Both sides have to find that right fit for what they're looking for.
Definitely.
What do you think about it all? Could memberships be something you see yourself using?
Oh, potentially. Yeah.
Whether as a creator or just a viewer. It's definitely food for thought, wouldn't you say?
For sure. I think it's worth exploring.
Great chat. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive.
Glad to be here.
And until next time, happy YouTubing tips.